Hey guys, welcome to my channel Operations Point. Today in this video we will be discussing about MCQ questions on ISO 9000 series standards. ISO is international standard for organization, right? And 9000 series has been introduced by ISO organization, and this is one of the topic which is as a syllabus in your UGC NET management part 2, right? So we'll be discussing some MCQs on that, plus I'll be telling you certain basic concepts also of ISO 9000 series so that you people can remember. Now ISO 9000 models, in this we have 9001 which is for designing to servicing, 9002 for production, installation and servicing related, 9003 is related to the inspection and the testing, and 9004 it is related to the customer interface activities and service quality improvement. All right. So 9000 2005, this is something like it is a quality management system in which the fundamentals and vocabulary has been mentioned. Then we have ISO 19011 2011 which is giving guidelines for the quality and environmental system auditing, and 9001 2008 in which we have the requirements for quality management system. This is the only standard which third party certification can be carried. And in 9004 2009 the guidelines for improving the performance have been mentioned. All right. So let's take the first question. Which of the following must not be a characteristic of a quality system? It must be well understood products or services actually do satisfy customer expectations. Emphasis is on problem prevention, and it must be ineffective. So out of all these four options, if you see, first option is eliminated because this is the characteristic. Second is also eliminated. Third is also eliminated. Last option, it must be ineffective, is the right answer to the question. The characteristic of the quality system must be that it must be well understood, it satisfy the customer expectations, and emphasis on problem prevention, and it must be effective too, right? So D is the right answer. Which of the following is not an advantage of implementing a quality system that conforms to ISO standards? Improvement in employee involvement, improvement in housekeeping, improvement in customer satisfaction, inefficient decision making. So obviously from all the four options you can see D option is the inappropriate one. So this is the right answer to the question. You can see the explanation also that if you are implementing ISO standards, all these are the advantages. Employee involvement will be there, housekeeping will be there, customer satisfaction will be there, and obviously you will have an efficient decision making also. Which of the following cannot be considered a reason for implementing a quality system that conforms to ISO standards? Improvement in safe working, reduction in customer complaints, increasing inspection efforts, decreased inspection efforts. So D is the right answer. Sorry, not D, C is the right answer. Increased inspection efforts, improvement in safe working, reduction in customer complaints, and a decrease in inspection efforts are some of the reasons we want to implement quality management system. Now which of the following represents India in ISO? BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. This is the national standards body of India, and it is a member of the ISO. Now which is the latest ISO 9001 version in 9000 family? 2015 is the latest version, which is known as ISO 9001 2015. The first edition of ISO 9001 was released in 1987, right? So which of the following is the advantage of using ISO 9001? Organizing processes, yes, it is the advantage. Improving the efficiency of processes, continuous improvement, then organizing, improving, and this. So D is the right answer, which is including all the three options. Which is the only standard in 9000 family to which organizations can certify? The organizations can certify to 9001, and the latest edition is 2015. Guidelines for auditing management system. Now, which ISO standard provides guidelines for auditing management system? So this is 19011. 2018 provides guidelines to auditing management systems. Which ISO 9000 family standard provides the fundamentals and vocabulary for quality management system? That is 9000 2015 is the standard. All right. Then which is the latest 9000 version? और ये हमने अभी भी किया था. D is the right answer. All right. So then which ISO standard provides guidelines to achieve sustained success and continuous improvement of an organization? So continuous improvement and sustained success is provided by 9004 2018, right? Now, which of the following is not a quality management principle on the basis of which 2015 and 9001 2015 are based upon? So C is the right answer. Customer dissatisfaction is not the principle of quality management. All right. The objective of 9000 family of quality management is they want to satisfy the customers. All right. Now this is a match of following MCQ. TQM promotes small change, continuous improvement, employee participation, employee Kaizen. All of you know Kaizen is continuous improvement. Quality circle can solve problem related to small change. Quality circle benefit to employee. So according to me, the option should be A. TQM promotes employee participation. Kaizen is small change. Quality circle can improve. A is the right option, guys, because TQM promotes employee participation. All right. Kaizen is a small change. Quality circle can solve problems related to continuous improvement, and quality circle benefits to the employees. So A is the option, right option. So because you can see TQM promotes employee participation. Kaizen is a small change. Quality circle when problem related to continuous improvement, and this is a employee one. All right. So if you see, A is the right answer. A way that organization can show their commitment to being green. अब environment से related है तो 14,000 standards. A way that can show commitment to being green is through adopting 14,001 standards. All right. Now this is a kind of a glimpse again. ISO 9000 explains fundamental quality concepts and provides guidelines for the selection and application of each standard. 9001 is the model for quality assurance in design, development, production, installation and servicing. 9002, it is the model for quality assurance in the production and installation of manufacturing systems. 9003, quality assurance in final inspection and testing. 9004, guidelines for application of standards in quality management systems. So 9000 and 9004 are guidance standards. They describe what is necessary to accomplish the requirements outlined in standards 9001. So ISO 9000 determines if the company practices its written procedures, if vendors are performing well, process capability, the kind of control chart to be used, random causes of variation. So as per me, A should be the right answer. All right. Now 9002 requires constantly holding meetings with customers, frequent vendor visits. अभी हमने पिछली slide में किया. C should be the answer. Production and inspection, installation methods certified. So TQM and ISO, they both focuses on customer, employee, supplier, all of the above. They focus on customers. What is an ISO full form? International Organization for Standards. C is the right answer. ISO emphasizes on prevention, inspection, rejection, all of the above. Prevention. ISO tries to prevent the quality issues. ISO 14000 gives stress on environmental protection, prevention rather than detection, plan, do, check, act, all of the above. According to 9001, the cause of non-conforming product should be eliminated and identified. Right? 9001 is not concerned with the dash of quality records verification. They are not concerned with verification of quality records. Alright, so these were some of the MCQs on ISO 9000 series, which will be hopefully helpful for you in the preparation of your UGC NET exam. Right, if you want any more videos on any other topic, you can please mention it in the comment section. I would be happy to take that. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Operations Point and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.